Have you been asking yourself, how can I find out more about specific careers? The SUU Career Center is here to help. In order to start exploring specific careers, first, visit our Deciding on a Major or Career website. Then you will click on Explore on My Own. Once you have selected Explore on My Own, a drop-down menu will appear with additional research resources. Click on ONet. Once the homepage appears, you will use the search bar to search specific careers. For example, let's say you wanted to explore an accountant. After selecting the desired career from the results list, you will see a summary report that gives a short job description, a sample of reported job titles, and several hyperlinks to information on education, wages and employment, and more. Under the Education heading, you can find what typical entry-level education most professionals have in the career of interest. Under the Wages and Employment heading, you can compare local and national median wages, and also compare local and national projected growth for the career of interest. In addition to ONet, you can also explore careers and how to become a professional in those careers with the Occupational Outlook Handbook, produced by the U.S. Bureau of Labor and Statistics. See the additional research resources on our website. What happens if you still don't know which major or career to choose? Learn more about your best fit majors and careers by scheduling a career and major assessment. For more information, please visit our website.